Today, the singing cooking man makes nabe. Bonito crumbs and some kombu. If you have shiitake, it's even better. Japanese people eat nabe every year, at least 3-4 times, possibly 5-6 times. You can put anything into the pot. Season it with some salt, soy sauce and sake. First, cook the stem part of the winter cabbage. I will be cooking the leaves later. Tofu and bean sprouts. Now I have everything. More flavor will come out from the meatballs. I cannot wait when the stems are cooked. Add more things into the pot, but take out the kombu. Now let's put the meatballs in. Don't put the meatballs too early. All the flavor will go out into the soup. November, December, January. Finally, nabe is finished, all finished. Let's start eating.